how to connect Notion to Google Calendar. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect your Notion calendar and sync it with Google Calendar. So first things first, look over here on the left side of your Notion. You will be able to see your different features or different pages that you currently have. After that, click on Calendar. And over here, simply click on Continue with Google. Clicking on Continue with Google will allow you or will prompt you to log into your Google account. So simply log into your Google account and then it will automatically identify which account you want to use in the Google side. So click on Continue to Google Permissions. Click on Verification or verify it. So simply select all available Notion calendar access that you want to provide. Click on Continue. And then you will then be able to easily connect your Notion calendar with your Google Calendar. So we're simply going to wait for our page over here to load. So basically, we are installing, as you can see here, we now have our Google Calendar available inside of our Notion calendar. So I don't have anything right now in my Google Calendar, but you could see that the email has now been connected over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.